The Kalaburgi High Court bench has issued an important order regarding the worship of the Shivling at the Sufi Sant Ladle Mashaik dargah in Aland town. Hindu organization leaders had filed a petition seeking permission to worship the Raghav Chaitanya Shivling located inside the dargah premises. The court has now allowed 15 people to worship, excluding Siddhalinga Swamiji. The petitioners had originally requested permission for 500 people, but the court granted approval only for a smaller group. The Sufi Sant Ladle Mashaik dargah has been a well-known religious site since the 14th century. The Samadhi of Sant Raghav Chaitanya, the Guru of Shivaji Maharaj, is located here. A Shivling is installed on this Samadhi and Hindu devotees have traditionally worshipped it. A local family, the Joshis, had been performing daily rituals at the Shivlinga for centuries. For a long time, there was harmony between Hindus and Muslims at this site. However, in 2022, tensions arose after reports of desecration. Some miscreants allegedly defiled the Shivlinga, leading to religious unrest. Following this, Hindu organizations and local BJP leaders attempted to purify the site. Violence broke out when some people attacked those coming out after the purification ritual. Since then, the issue has become a point of dispute. Siddaramaiah Hiramat, a Hindu leader, filed a petition in the High Court seeking permission to worship the Shivlinga. The Waqf Board, however, argued that no Shivlinga existed at the site. After reviewing the historical records and inspecting the location, the court ruled in favor of limited worship. It denied the request for mass gatherings but permitted 15 individuals to perform rituals. In light of the situation and ahead of Mahashivratri, Kalaburgi District Magistrate Fauzia Tarannum has banned the sale of liquor in Aland Taluk. The restriction will be in effect from 11 p.m. on February 25 to 6 a.m. on February 27.